area and symbolizes the spirit of collaboration and
Yung paston, doktora.
President of the Philippine Society for Philippine Preservation and the past chair of the Philippine
Meron ba?
Meron ba?
Ang dami po.
Country. So we'll look first.
Yung Carcison and Eve Doctor.
Kasama na ako sa kanila. Red kasi yung ano eh.
May dalawang options. Usually kasi doktor
Visitor, and then you also have the
relevant to the state and will have an impact.
But it also has a high false positive rate and it's
For the requirements are the surveys.
Review current classification and diagnostic criteria.
Congratulations, push 2026 of this one.
For the foul game. Ayan,